No matter how hard you try, there's a limit you can't seem to break through. You set goals, worked hard, you pushed yourself, but you always end up thinking, maybe this is just as far as I can go. Have you ever felt like this? Like there's an unspoken rule keeping you from your dream. Maybe it's a financial ceiling that you can't break, a fitness goal that just seems impossible, or a life you're longing for but can't seem to create. I know how that feels, and it's frustrating, isn't it? You wonder if others have the same some secret that you don't. Deep down though, you know you're capable of more, don't you? But something holds you back, whispering, this is as good as it gets. Let me ask you, what if the only thing standing between you and your goal isn't your ability, but your belief? The impossible was just a belief. For decades, people believed the 4 minute mile was physically impossible. Doctors, scientists, and athletes all agreed the human body wasn't designed to run that fast. And because they believed it couldn't be done. No one even came close. Then in 1954, Roger Bannister stepped onto the track. Despite the overwhelming belief that it was impossible, he decided to rewrite the rules. Bannister didn't just train harder, he trained his mind. He believed that he can do it. On that day, he shattered the barrier, running the mile in 3 minutes and 59 seconds. But here's what's even more fascinating. Within weeks, others began to break the 4 minute mile too. Why? Because Bannister didn't just break a record, he broke belief. What if your limits are just beliefs waiting to be challenged? Your beliefs absolutely shape your reality. Have you ever told yourself, I'm not smart enough for that? Or thought, I can never afford a life like that? Or do you catch yourself saying, that's just not who I am? Henry Ford said, whether you believe you can or can't, you're absolutely right. See, you're not alone. Most of us are trapped by our beliefs, not our circumstances. But just like the 4 minute mile, those limits exist only because we believe in them. I used to think I couldn't change my life. I grew up in a world where struggle was the norm. Success felt like something other people achieved, not me. But then I learned a simple truth that changed everything. Are you ready to hear it? The secret to breaking your limits. Your beliefs determine your actions, and your actions create your results. Change your beliefs, and you'll change your life. Let me tell you the 3 secrets on how you can change your beliefs. Secret number 1, you want to challenge what you always believed. What's the one thing you've told yourself is impossible? Write it down, then ask yourself, is this really true? Or is it just something that I've been told or something that I've been telling myself? If Roger Bannister had accepted what the world believed about the 4 minute mile, he'd never have tried. Question your limits, and you'll find they're often just stories that you inherited. All right, secret number 2, feed your mind new possibilities. Immerse yourself in stories of people who have done what you thought was impossible. Read their books, watch their interviews, and learn their mindset. The more you see others breaking through, the more you'll believe that you can too. Secret number 3 is act as if it's already true. You want to be wealthy? Start thinking and acting like someone who manages their money wisely. You want to be healthy? Start seeing yourself as someone who takes care of their body. Belief is built through action. So stop waiting for your circumstances to change. Start changing the way you think about what's possible. In the book Think and Grow Rich, it says, we become what we think about. If Roger Bannister could rewrite the rules of human achievement, why not you? So here's your challenge. What's the one impossible belief you're ready to break? Write it down. Commit to challenging it every single day. And when you do, watch how your life changes. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want to thank all the subscribers who came on over the past week. Follow our blog and join us on Facebook for more life-changing insights like this. Let's rewrite the rules of what's possible together. Talk soon.